Welcome to Literary Insights. This is the summary of the book Choose Yourself. James Altucher. If you like this content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Don't rely on one person or opportunity for happiness or success. Spread opportunities and embrace a choose-yourself mindset where you determine your destiny. Pursue work and activities you genuinely enjoy. Don't just follow the typical life path or career, but apply this philosophy to all areas of life. Focus on the internal over the external. Stop living for hypothetical future outcomes and start determining your products. Build your internal motivation and drive rather than seeking external validation. Say no more often to avoid burnout and save energy for things that matter to you. We are mostly space, and true fulfillment comes from igniting your inner spirit and fire rather than filling the void with material things. The biggest obstacle is fear of rejection, but you need to overcome this and avoid dwelling on rejections. Build your self-worth from the inside out rather than seeking approval from others. Society teaches us to want to be chosen, but you don't need anyone's permission to fulfill your potential. Free yourself from outdated rules and write your own. Focus on what you can control: your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health. This provides a strong foundation for weathering rejection and choosing yourself. Stop obsessing over what you can't control. One person does not contain your destiny without your consent. Take back your power and choose yourself. The overarching theme is that we can shape our lives, happiness, and success, but most people give that power away to seek approval, validation, and permission from others. We must ignite our inner spirit, pursue self-betterment, overcome the fear of rejection, and determine our outcomes. Choose yourself. You have 4 aspects of self that require care: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Neglecting any of these can lead to burnout. For your physical self, focus on sleep, diet, exercise, and hygiene. Limit alcohol and take frequent walks. For your emotional self, spend less time with negative people and limit complaining. Choose your words carefully. For your mental self, give your mind focused tasks to prevent excessive worrying. Come up with new ideas. For your spiritual self, avoid dwelling on the past or future. Appreciate the present moment. Surrender control of outcomes you can't influence. To avoid burnout, care for your 4 selves, limit negative influences, tame your mind, surrender control, and stay present. Ignite your inner motivation. Meaning and purpose come from within, not external factors. Develop self-care practices to build internal strength. This helps you feel less stuck and make progress. Kamal Ravikant's story shows choosing yourself, making your health and happiness priorities, can transform your life. Self-love and positive thinking helped him heal. You can self-publish a book quickly. Promote it through your network, blogging, social media, complimentary copies, etc. Don't wait to find your purpose. Find happiness in life's adventures and journeys. Appreciate each stage rather than chasing an elusive goal. The desire to disappear is a sign you need to do inner work. Meaning comes from growth, not escape. Reduce excess baggage and embrace flexibility to craft your path. Though unpleasant, a job like plumbing can be rewarding. Solve problems, apply your mind, help people, set your hours. While not for everyone, unconventional paths are possible today. Society benefits when people contribute in their way. Maintaining a balanced and healthy life outside of work helps make an entrepreneur's job bearable. Here is a summary of the key points. Business model. Provide a dating service that matches people based on analyzed brain scans showing compatibility. The service would compare individual scans to averages of happily married couples to find suitable matches. Develop Wi-Fi with protein technology, though current science does not make this feasible. Ideas are common, but execution is critical. Create contact lenses that can detect when people like you by tracking quick eye blinks, enabling a new form of social life. Product. Subsidize companies to automate jobs and replace humans with robots. Fund the subsidies by taxing the companies. After 3 years, end subsidies so people start businesses or do temporary work. Opinions. Most opinions don't matter and are pointless to share or argue about. They are unlikely to change minds or impact the future. Ideas tend to create divisiveness and cling to past beliefs. Human flaws. The author discusses doing bad things in childhood and expresses disgust at normal human functions like defecating. They ask why technology can't eliminate the need to defecate. When stressed, cortisol levels rise to prepare us to fight or flee. But this response is rarely helpful in modern life and leads to health issues. Reducing stress through exercise, sleep, and diet can help lower cortisol. In summary, the key highlights focus on opinions and new business or product ideas oriented around human relationships, automation, and improving health or the human condition. Technology and scientific advancement could help address flaws in human psychology or physiology. Please let me know if you want me to clarify or expand on any part of this summary. Chronic stress and elevated cortisol levels from things like staring at screens and the inability to act on urges can lead to health issues. Two things that can help lower cortisol and reduce inflammation are oxytocin and orgasms. Oxytocin is released during orgasms, childbirth, and breastfeeding. It creates feelings of love and connection and lowers cortisol. High cortisol from chronic stress is very harmful. Releasing oxytocin through relationships and orgasms helps combat stress and promotes well-being. Reducing inflammation and anxiety is essential for health. The key ideas are: accept being mediocre in some areas, learn from failures, focus your mind, combine ideas, take any first deal, get to know people before trusting them, and limit multitasking. Experience and relationships can lead to success, even from a mediocre start. The author struggles with intrusive thoughts that reduce productivity and intelligence. These include worries, guilt, paranoia, grudges, and resentment. Adding useless thoughts does not increase intelligence. Removing them does. Examples of thoughts that reduce the author's intelligence include paranoia, resentment, regret, perfectionism, dwelling on the past or future worries, excessive talking, making excuses. The solution is noticing and releasing these thoughts. While dishonesty may seem to lead to success, it ultimately fails. Honesty, built over time, creates opportunity. To be honest, give credit to others, share ideas and information, connect with people in your network, take responsibility for mistakes, and live consistently. Don't be angry, make excuses, or gossip. Take responsibility, acknowledge others, help people achieve their potential. Don't wait for permission, use new tools to build an audience and make money as an artist. Labels likely won't help. Choose yourself. The author used an image of a fit woman in a bikini for a blog post and was accused of always using such photos. He argued the embodiment depicted fitness, she was technically 90% naked, and such images are commonly used and popular in media. His critics did not accept his explanation. The key lessons are: learn from contemporaries and study influences. Draw from various art forms. Timeless elements resonate. Wake up early, avoid distractions, and work focused hours. Perfection is impossible, but it aims to improve. Confidence and experimenting build on experience. Learn rules before breaking them. The Beatles displayed competence despite issues. Feel like you're auditioning, have a beginner's mind. There are 3 responses to rejection. Give up. This avoids obstacles but forsakes dreams. Become bitter. This is unproductive and often leads to giving up. Persist. Successful people see rejection as a stepping stone. They improve their craft and try again. Persistence leads to success. Ignore negative self-talk and blame. Focus on learning from rejection. Expand options, don't rely on a few decision makers. This is the choose yourself era. You have more control and opportunities, e.g. self-publishing and online. Improving approach, skills, and finding new audiences turn rejection into opportunity. Change up, don't give up. Build authenticity and connect with your audience using social media. Ask for feedback to understand rejection. Look for improvement opportunities. Failure and rejection are typical. Learn from failures, acknowledge wins, and stay balanced. Stay in touch with those who reject you. Send updates, offer help, and look for new chances. Don't burn bridges. This can lead to future opportunities. Surviving failure and rejection is critical to success. Persistence and a positive mindset overcome obstacles. Continuous self-improvement and expanding options open new doors. The key messages are: maintain an optimistic and growth-oriented mindset. Reject negativity and see opportunities in failure and rejection. Continuously learn, improve, and expand your options. Develop persistence and resilience. You can choose how to respond to difficulties in life. Focus on progress rather than staying stuck. Think big and aim to create an impact that spreads outward. Do not limit yourself or your potential for effect. Take responsibility for yourself in this new world. Adapt by improving your health, building financial stability, and developing inner strength. Pursue your purpose and passion. Create an ever-expanding web of positive connections and impact that ultimately impacts the whole world. Share your experiences and ideas to help others while also continuously learning from others. Expand your mindset through growth and creating impact. Choose yourself and your journey. Have the self-confidence and determination to shape your own life. Practice continuous self-improvement and learning. Life provides unlimited chances to redo and reimagine yourself. James Altucher is an entrepreneur and writer who aims to motivate and provide advice to help readers improve their lives. His writing has reached over 10 million readers. The key takeaway is that you have the power and ability to overcome difficulties, learn and grow from failures, determine your purpose and journey in life, create a far-reaching positive impact, and continuously expand your potential. Maintaining an optimistic, determined mindset focused on progress and helping others is critical.